There's a quick comparison between the Røde VideoMic NTG and the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. Because last time when I reviewed the Røde VideoMic NTG, I didn't direct compare between them, and some people say that I'm a bit biased. Well, I don't know, maybe because I said I love a product, that's why I sound a little bit biased. No wonder people keep making video about, oh, why blah 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 product is seriously flawed, or oh, why I hate certain product. Okay, one person point out that while I have the DT mic with me last time, I keep comparing them, but I don't do a sound test between them. So here we go. This is a quick sound test, direct compare between them. Well, I didn't include a sound test between the two mic last time because I think most people concerned about is the NTG actually better than the Pro Plus, and also because I tested the DT mic before, and back then I still prefer the Pro Plus than the DT mic. When the NTG is better than the Pro Plus, I already forgot about having to test the DT because I don't think it need to. So after hearing the sound from the both mic direct compare, I still think the VideoMic NTG sounds better. I don't know how audiophile describes sound, but I think it is richer, it got more depth, while the DT sounds thinner. Now back to the outdoor, back to the Hong Kong wet market to test the both mic performing in noisy environment. This is the Røde VideoMic NTG. This is a Deity V-Mic D3 Pro, and this is how in a noisy environment it could be even more obvious the differences between two mics. And then back to here, this is the Røde VideoMic NTG again in a noisy Hong Kong wet market environment. And back to this Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. Once and for all, I think it sounds better. But what do you think? Leave your comment below. If you still think I'm biased.